In question number 2, it says use identities to write each expression as a single fraction of x or theta. So we can apply the cos 30 plus theta, the identity of cos A plus B on that. Let me write the identity. So here my A value is theta. So my A value is 30 and my B value is theta. So I would write it cos of 30 plus theta is equals to cos of 30 into cos of theta minus sine of 30 into sine of theta. The value of cos 30 by using the calculator, we have root 3 by 2 into cos theta would be written as it is. Sine 30 value is 1 over 2 and sine theta would be written as it is. So that would be our final answer. So root 3 by 2 cos theta minus 1 over 2 sine theta. So you can also take common 1 over 2. So you can write it as root 3, or you can take 2 as an LCM to find the final answer. You can also write like this as a single fraction. So 2 is the LCM. So root 3 cos theta minus sine theta. So this is a single fraction in the form of theta. Now move to the next part. In the next part, we have cos of 45 plus theta. So we will again apply the identity of cos A plus B. Let me write. So here my A value is 45 and my B value is theta. So here I applied the identity that cos of 45 plus theta cos 45 cos theta minus sine 45 sine theta. So we know that the cos 45 and sine 45 have the same answer. So root 2 by 2 into cos of theta minus root 2 by 2 into sine of theta. So we will take LCM as 2. So now we can write root 2 cos theta minus root 2 sine theta. So that is our final answer in a single fraction. So move to the next part now. In the next part we have tan plus 30 degree. So we will apply the identity of tan A plus B. Let me write. So here I will use this identity. So my A value is theta, my B value is 30. So let me write the result. So tan of theta plus 30 degree is equals to tan of A. That means the tan of theta plus tan of 30 degree 1 minus tan of theta into tan of 30 degree. Sorry. Now we can use the calculator to find the value of tan 30. So let me check. So tan of 30 degree. Okay, first of all we need to convert our calculator into the degree mode. So 3. Now I would write tan of 30, that is root 3 by 3. So let me write. So tan theta plus root 3 by 3 over 1 minus tan theta into root 3 by 3. Let me write on the next page. Now we can write it as a single fraction. So we have to take the LCM. So I would take the LCM. So in numerator, we will write 3 as in denominator, that is LCM. So we have 3 tan theta plus root 3, and in the denominator we will make 1 as in 3 by 3 minus root 3 by 3 of tan theta. Now again we will take the LCM, so let me write. So now I would take the LCM, so the next step would be 3 and 3 tan theta plus root 3, and here we also have the denominator same, so we will take the LCM, so root 3 tan of theta. So now the both denominators are going to be cancelled out, so my final answer would be, that is 3 tan theta plus root 3 and 3 minus root 3 tan of theta. That would be our single fraction answer. Now move to the next part. In part D we have sine 3 pi by 4 minus x in a radians form. So now will I use the identity of sine A minus B. Let me write. So we will use this identity. Now I will put the values. So sine of 3 pi by 4 minus x is equals to sine of 3 pi by 4 into cos of x minus cos of 3 pi by 4 into sine of x. So now we use our calculator to find the value of sine 3 pi by 4, but first of all we have to convert our triangle into radian modes. So we will apply shift mode and number 4, that is a radian now. So I will check my value. Sine of 3 pi by 4, that is root 2 by 2, and we'll check cos 3 pi by 4. So cos 3 pi by 4, that is minus root 2 by 2. So we will put the values. So here I put the result. Now further simplify. So we have root 2 over 2 cos x minus minus plus root 2 over 2 sine x. Now our final LCM will be 2. So let me write the next. So now I will take the LCM. My LCM would become 2. And we will write the numerator. So root 2 cos x plus root 2 sine x. This is my answer. Now move to the next part. In part E we have sine 270 plus theta. So we will apply the sine of A plus B identity. Let me write. So here I will use sine of 270 plus theta. So let me apply the sine of 270 plus theta is equals to sine of 270 into cos of theta plus cos of 270 into sine of theta. So I will check the calculator by finding the value of sine 270 and cos 270. Now we'll find the values. So calculator should be in degree. So sine of 270 is minus 1 and cos of 270 is 0. So let me write minus 1 time cos theta plus 0 times sine theta. So that would be negative of cos theta plus 0. So my final answer would be negative cos theta. That's it. Thank you very much.